In this tutorial, you will see how to write different type of fraction in Microsoft Word like this. To be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. If you want to write the fraction over here, just click on here, go to Insert, go to Equation and click on Insert New Equation. Then you will find some option over here. Then click on Fraction. You will find some template over here. Just select anyone. Let me click this one and click on over here. And write here 2 and click on over here and write here 3 and click on outside, and this is a kind of fraction. If you want to type another kind, over here go to Insert, again go to Equation, click on Insert New Equation, go to Fraction, select this one, then click on over here, right here 1 and over here 2, and this is also looking beautiful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.